Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. 2 Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the 2002R by New Balance in the light Arctic grey purple colorway. It comes in a grey and silver MB branded box with no extra accessories, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. These released in late September 2022 as part of the Refined Future collection. It features a blue tinted grey breathable mesh upper with Arctic grey and indigo purple suede overlays. Like the other Protection Pack 2022Rs, it sits on a slightly yellowed NRG midsole with hits of grey and purple, plus that painted outsole for more of that aged effect. I like its colour blocking, and the 2002R is light with a soft well-cushioned ride. I stay true to my US 10 men's. Overall, it's a cool affordable shoe for the summer. As usual, purchase links will be in my YouTube description. While you're there, hit the like and subscribe button and comment Arctic to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up, did you miss out, or did you pass? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.